Part 1, Chapter 8 of George Orwell's 1984, is deep and revelatory, weaving Winston's quest for knowledge and truth with the oppressive reality of his existence under the party's rule. The chapter opens with Winston venturing into a prole neighborhood, a place markedly different from the sterile, controlled environments inhabited by party members. In these areas, the reminders of war and the fragility of life are stark, exemplified by Winston nonchalantly kicking a severed hand into the gutter. This action, while gruesome, highlights the desensitized, indifferent world in which Winston lives, where the value of human life has diminished under totalitarian rule. Seeking connection to a past that the party works tirelessly to erase, Winston enters a pub, engaging an old man in conversation about the time before the party's reign. The old man's failure to provide clear, coherent answers underscores the effectiveness of the party's manipulation and control over historical truth. Ever more determined, Winston then revisits Mr. Charrington's antique shop, which he had previously frequented to purchase his diary. The shop represents a tangible link to the past, with objects that carry stories and memories from a time before the party's dominance. The interaction between Winston and Mr. Charrington is poignant, with the shop owner showing Winston a glass paperweight and an upstairs room remarkably devoid of a telescreen. These elements, particularly the paperweight, serve as metaphors for Winston's yearning to grasp and understand the past. The paperweight, with coral embedded within glass, symbolizes the beauty and mystery of history, encapsulated and unreachable, much like Winston's efforts to connect with a past that the party seeks to obliterate. This chapter also intensifies the sense of danger looming over Winston. His encounter outside the shop with the dark-haired girl from the fiction department heightens his paranoia, illustrating the pervasive surveillance and mistrust that characterize life in Oceania. His fear that she might be a spy, coupled with his violent fantasies about killing her, underscore the brutality ingrained in society and the lengths to which individuals go in their quest for self-preservation. Moreover, the chapter foreshadows deeper themes and key events to come, particularly through the nursery rhyme shared by Mr. Charrington. This seemingly innocent fragment becomes a motif interwoven with the narrative, symbolizing the remnants of a culture obliterated by the party. It also hints at connections between characters and a collective memory that the party cannot fully suppress. Closing the chapter with the party's ominous slogans against Winston's musings about a place where there is no darkness juxtaposes individual hope against collective despair. This stark contrast not only serves to highlight the oppressive nature of Winston's world, but also sets the stage for the testing of Winston's resolve and the exploration of human resilience in the face of pervasive control and manipulation. In summary, Chapter 8 of 1984 is a microcosm of the novel's broader themes. The struggle for truth and memory against the tidal wave of totalitarian revisionism, and the individual's quest for identity and connection amidst a sea of conformity and fear. Through Winston's journey in this chapter, Orwell masterfully conveys the chilling reality of life under an omnipotent, omniscient regime and the flickering yet persistent flame of human spirit and defiance. Before you go, if this video was helpful to you, please leave a like on the video and let us know in the comments what book you would like us to make a video on next. Thanks for watching. This has been another Bookly Crash Course.